Hi guys, good morning again. It's a wonderful day, and I would like to share to you about health is wealth. The word says your health is wealth, and when you are talking about the wealth, it is under the word treasure. So when you are talking about the treasure, you have you know, you have the treasure in you, and some people are going hunting for a treasure, but the reality, there is really a treasure in the inside of you. So the enemy, who is Satan, his plan, his design is to kill, to destroy, and to steal your joy. But there is no more tricks on the enemy. He is a done deal, and we are on the victory side. So I would like to tell you that take care of your treasure, and the enemy would like to steal, to kill, and to destroy your life. And you have the treasure, the hidden treasure, and you have the talents, you have the gift that you will have to enjoy and use it. And the Lord put wisdom to get wealth. So you are a precious son and a child of the Most High God. So be careful, and careful to yourself and to your body, because God loves you, and we will have to pray each other. I will have to pray for you, and you will have to pray for me, and we will have to go prosperous and victorious life, because life is short. I love you guys. Love you. Love you. Mahal kita.